Enforcement, smugglers! Woo! Just baby! All right, we are back. It's the next day. We are here early in the morning. It's really not super early. It's like 10:30 a.m. or something like that. I'm gonna hop into it right now. Foos Jr. is still inside doing something. I'm gonna be out here taking some more things up, sanding the door jambs, getting them a little more clean. 30 years of dirt and grime all stuck up in there, really nasty. Want to get the paint to stick good. Well, primer to stick good first, but then the paint to stick good. So I really got to get up in there and clean it. I'll show you guys a little bit what it's like for cleaning it, but I don't want to spend too much time on that. It's a little boring. But the fun stuff will be primer today. So let's get into that fun stuff. I'm so glad Foos Jr. could wake up and join us. I got hurt. You're not anything except for awesome. Alrighty, so we got that all cleaned up and sanded down there. Then Foos Jr.'s going along and scuffing up the inside of the wheel wells for funsies. Then he did the other half of the door here. What else do we have to do yet, Foos Jr.? Tell the world.
We got a lot of sanding yet.
Oh, come on.
We got masking yet to do. I'm sorry.
A few moments later.
We're getting closer. Let's get to that primer. We're real close.
More moments later.
Finally got a mask on. Woo! After a few kinks and bugs, it looks like it's working pretty good, don't you say?
Oh yeah, most definitely. We got her rocking now.
We got her rocking now. All right, still got my mask on, but I think we're done for primer tonight. Got everything coated super good, absolutely good. There's no primer missing anywhere at all. At least you got everything else, huh? Oh yeah, I mean that's... The Eurocrem stuff turns out pretty nice when you mix the ratios to what they say on the can.
Don't give us paper! You gotta look at the can.
The paper is for the clear coat, and it said to mix, how much did it say? What was the mixture of the clear coat?
2 to 1.
2 to 1 on the clear coat. And what's the mixture on the can?
4 to 1.
4 to 1. So we threw in a ton of extra activator that didn't need to be used. So now I had to ordered some more activator. We're not sure if we're gonna need it yet. But yeah, that's the fun stuff of when they don't ship all the labels that they should put in there. They give you pamphlets for stuff, but don't tell you exactly what you need to know. That's all right. We'll get it done. Everything will turn out pretty awesome. I think that's about it for tonight, guys. See you in the next episode.